The law of continuity, guys. The law of continuity right here. Guys, don't worry, this is the practice account. Otherwise, in a real account you should only take one trade and not more than 10% of your balance. This trade goes bad and then it will be terrible. It will be terrible, man. Okay, we'll come back later to check how it's faring. Yeah, so we have like 5 minutes to go, and it doesn't look too bad, okay, but this is binary, candles shoot up, they drop towards the last few seconds. I've won trades, I've lost trades in the last few seconds. Yeah, so guys, this is the trade we took, and even though this is a demo account, there is one way I can tell that if I was live I could have won this trade. If this candle ends up being a green or bullish candle, then I will know that if I was live I could have won this trade too. So if this candle, forget about all those many trades that I took. I will judge it by the color of this candle. If it ends up being a green, if it drops like that and becomes red, then I will know that I would have lost this trade. So let's see how it turns out to be. One thing about me, practice account or not, I don't like losing a trade. I don't like losing a trade, whether it's a live account or a practice account. I just like to win trades, that's all. So we hope this one holds up, because today is on a Friday. Fridays are normally crazy days to trade. Today's on a Friday. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Now look at that drop. But anyway, guys, we won it. Like I said, if the candle ends up being green, then I know that I would have won it on a live account. Looks like there might be some news. But you see this current candle, if it goes up, I think there might be news, but there is potential for a call. But I'm not going to make a call. But if it goes below the Bollinger Bands, then that's big potential for a call. So guys, today is on a Friday, and I just opened my charts for the first time at around 4 p.m. That's my local time, because I did not find much time. But I've been scanning through the charts, and I don't think I missed much. I don't think I missed anything, so I'm good. I think I might take a call. Let it drop a little and I take a call, and then we shall see how it goes. Okay guys, I took that one. I took that one. Let's see how it goes after 15, 14, maybe 13 minutes. See you guys later. Yeah guys, here we go again. It's like the law of continuity all over again. But at the same time, this is like my strategy. Okay, let me see. The law of continuity, that one is a kind of different strategy. But this one is still my original strategy, guys. Look at how well it's going. Okay. So for Friday, I think I didn't miss much, but so far I've got 2 setups, and that's all that you will need. If you are ever on a live account, you don't need to take a lot of trades. 1 or 2, personally 1 or 2 a day is enough. So guys, that's it. I wish you the best in your trading, and also enjoy your weekend. And if you like the video, if you find it valuable to you, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Anyway, that's it guys. Ciao, I'm out. Here you go. Here, come on, 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 come on.